Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to continue with the exercises of the cell division, cell cycle and the structure of chromosome. Last video I am discussing the exercise where I have discussed differentiate karyokinesis and cytokinesis, mitosis and meiosis, right? Now same, continuing with that, the next one, choose the correct answer. Duplicated chromosomes are joined at a point termed centrosome, centromere, centriole, chromatid. They were joined at the point termed as centromere. They were joined at the point centromere, right? Next, match the column A with the column B. Here you can see first chromosomes become arranged in a horizontal plane at the equator. So chromosomes becomes arranged in the horizontal plane at equator, that is in case of metaphase. Daughter chromosomes move to opposite poles of the spindle. Daughter chromosomes move to opposite poles of the spindle, that is in anaphase. Chromosomes become visible as fine long threads, that is in the stage of prophase. Chromosomes lose their distinctiveness and gradually become transformed into chromatin network, that is in the telophase. DNA and histones, they are known as nucleosome. DNA and histones, they are known as nucleosomes, right? Next, draw a neat label diagram to show the metaphase stage of mitosis in an animal cell having 4 chromosomes. Now see here, yes, I have drawn it here. 4 chromosome metaphase stage all lie at the equator. They are joined with the spindle fiber. They the arms of the chromosome. They are known as chromatid. They are joined by the centriole. That is the equatorial plate. This is the this one. This is the equatorial plate, and they are the astral rays. I hope it is clear. Now here the next, see how many daughter cells are formed at the end of mitosis and at end of meiosis. The daughter cell formed at the end of mitosis, they are the 2 daughter cells, and at the end of meiosis, they are 4 daughter cells. With reference to cell division, explain the following: chromatid, centromere, haploid. We have already discussed previously, that is the chromatid, centromere, and haploid. We have in the previous video, I have told you about all this. Name the type of cell division that occur during growth of a shoot. It is mitosis. Formation of pollen grains. It is meiosis. Repair of worn out tissues. It is the mitosis. Next, write the following in a logical sequence. Sequential stage in karyokinesis, this is in the division of the nuclei. During the division of the nuclei, the various stages which are supposed to be formatted. It is first intraphase, that is the beginning of mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Cell cycle, during cycle, first is G1 phase, then S phase, synthesis phase, then G2 phase, then karyokinesis, is followed by cytokinesis, that is the division of cytoplasm. Now statement true or false? Cytokinesis is a division of cytoplasm. Yes, it is a division of cytoplasm and cytoplasmic contents. Gene is a specific part of a chromosome that determines hereditary characteristic. It is true. Duplicated chromosomes remains attached a point termed centrosome. No, false. The duplicated chromosomes remains attached a point termed centromere. The number of pairs of autosomes in man is 22. Yes, it is true. Number of autosomes pairs, that is the 22 pairs of autosomes are present in humans, right? Now here, the resting stage in mitosis is called interphase. Yes, interphase is the phase occurs between the 2 mitotic division, that is the resting phase. Next, mitosis is the type of cell division occurring in the cell of an injured part of the body. Yes, it is true. Chromosomes other than the pair of sex chromosomes are called alleles. False. Other than sex chromosomes, they are known as autosomes. Lysosome is a part of the cell in which chromosomes are present. False. Lysosome is not a. Nucleus is the part of a cell in which chromosomes are present. Centromere is the organelle of the cell that initiates cell division. False. It is not centromere, it is centrosome is the organelle that initiates cell division in animal cell. Give the specific function of centrosome that initiates cell division. Exact location of centrosome, it is found above the nucleus. Now the diagram below, it represents a stage in cell division. Study the same and answer the questions given. Identify the stage in the cell. This is, it is late anaphase stage. Chromosomes are moving towards the opposite pole. Name the parts A, B, C, D. A, it is spindle fiber. B, it is cell wall. And C, it is the chromatid. And D, it is the centromere, the point from where the chromosomes are attached. What is the unique feature observed in the movement of sister chromatids to opposite? Sister chromatids, they are moving towards the opposite poles. And spindle elongation. This is the elongation of the spindle. This one. This is also the spindle elongation. Where this type of cell division usually occur? It occurs in the meristematic cell found in the apical parts of the root and shoot tips. How many daughter cells are formed after this type of division? 2 daughter cells are formed after this type of the cell division, right? Next, is the dividing cell shown a plant or an animal cell? Give a reason to support. It is a plant cell because it has cell wall. Because in the diagram you can see here, you see double walled is there, means cell wall, cell membrane. So it is a plant cell. Given below is the diagram double helical structure of the DNA. Now name the 4 nitrogenous bases that forms a DNA molecule. The 4 nitrogenous bases which forms the DNA molecule: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Give the full form of DNA: deoxyribose nucleic acid. Name the unit of heredity. The unit of heredity, they are the genes. Mention 2 points of difference: mitosis and meiosis. We have already discussed. Mitosis takes place in vegetative cells and the number of chromosomes are same as that of the parent cell. Whereas in case of meiosis, it takes place in reproductive cells and the number of chromosomes becomes half of the parent cell, right? Now given the diagram representing during mitotic cell division is an animal cell, identify the stage. Give a reason in support of your answer. Name the parts labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. Centromere. What is the function of part 3? Name the stage that comes just after the stage shown in the diagram. Draw a well-labeled diagram of the stage. Now here you see the first one. The stage shown, it is the late prophase. It is the late prophase stage which I have already observed over there. See, this is the late prophase. This is the diagram shown over there. This is your late prophase, the diagram that was supposed to be drawn over here. Here, astral rays, chromatids, centromere and spindle fibers are observed. 1, 2, 3. Centromere, that the sister chromatids, they are attached with this point. And after this stage comes, it is the metaphase. It comes the metaphase diagram. I have drawn it earlier. The metaphase diagram, you have already seen. The diagram was over. See, this is the metaphase stage. This is the diagram of the metaphase stage which was supposed to be shown earlier. And this is the late prophase. That is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Already diagrams I have here. This diagram same has to be drawn over here. This is the same diagram. After this stage metaphase diagram that I have drawn it earlier. Now here see in the diagram below, a stage during cell division, study the same and then answer that. Name the parts labeled 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, it is the centriole. 2, it is the spindle fibers. 3, they are the chromatids. Identify the stage and give the reason. It is late anaphase. Polar migration means chromatids, they are moving towards the pole. They are moving towards the pole. Chromatids is the part of migration is just about to be completed. Where this takes place? In the somatic cell, this is the mitosis. somatic cells of the body. Points prior to this stage, it is early anaphase. During early anaphase stage, as you see it over here, early anaphase, the diagram was to mention there. See, this is the early anaphase, this, and this has moved towards there. Before that, they were in towards the center, where the centromere is duplicated. सेंट्रोमियर डिफरेंशिएट मतलब डिवाइड हो गया है, सेंट्रोमियर यहाँ पर डिवाइड हो गया. तो ये देखिए स्पिंडल फाइबर्स है, ये सेंट्रोसोम है, ये सेंट्रोमियर है, ये क्रोमोटिड्स हैं, ये एस्ट्रल रेसन. दिस इज द अर्ली एनाफेज एंड दिस इज द लेट एनाफेज, राइट. Now give appropriate biological term for the complex consisting of DNA strand and the core of histone. It is the nucleosome, that we have done it earlier also. Now see the next one. Choose the correct answer. The cell component visible only during the division. The only during the division, mitochondria, chloroplast, chromatin. The only visible, it is chromosome. After mitotic division, a female human cell have 44 plus XX chromosome. After division of my female human cell, normal body cell, 44 plus X4 chromosomes, 22 plus X chromosome, 22 plus XY chromosome. It is XY chromosome, and this is XY chromosome, 22 plus. So after mitotic, a female human cell have 44 plus XX chromosome, total 46 chromosome female. So it is both X and 23 pairs. 44, 22 plus 44 plus 2, 46. 46 means 23 pairs. Chromosomes get aligned at the center of cell during at the center में कब होते हैं? मेटाफेज स्टेट में. एनाफेज में ये बार डिप्लीकेट होकर के वापस जाना शुरू होते हैं. प्रोफेज में कंबाइल होते हैं. टीलोफेज में वापस दो सेल बना लेते हैं. Synthesis phase in the cell cycle is called because of the synthesis of more RNA proteins, DNA, glucose. What is called? DNA, because chromosomes are made up of DNA. So DNA synthesis 30 to 50% takes place in the synthesis phase. In human male, a sperm will contain both X and Y chromosome, only Y chromosome, only X chromosome, either X or Y. It is either X or Y chromosome. This is the correct answer. Given below are groups of the terms. In each group, the first pair indicates the relationship between the two terms. Rewrite and complete the second pair of the similar way. Cytoplasm, cytokinesis. Nucleus, kerokinesis. Adenine, thymine. And cytosine, guanine. Adenine always pairs with thymine, cytosine always pairs with the guanine. Cytosine with the cytokinesis, then the nucleus, karyokinesis. Study the diagram given below which represents the stage during mitotic cell division. Answer. Identify the stage giving suitable reason. Now see, this is the stage. It is late stage telophase. It is the late telophase stage. Name the parts number 1 and 2. Number 1 is nucleolus, number 2 is the nuclear membrane. What is the technical term for the division of the nucleus? The technical term for the division of the nucleus is karyokinesis. Now mention the stage that comes before the stage shown in the diagram. Draw a neat label. See, the stage that before it is anaphase. The neat and label diagram over here. See, this is the stage. This construction shown means it's an animal cell. Spindle fibers are there. This is the centriole. Astral rays are there. They are the chromatids. It is the centromere, and they are the centrosome from where they are united. The stage comes before is the cell division that results in half the number of chromosomes in the daughter cell. It is meiosis, and it is also known as reduction division. Now, nitrogen bonds are present in between the complementary nitrogen bases of the DNA? No. In between the complementary nitrogen bases, hydrogen bonds are present between the complementary nitrogen bases of DNA. Right? Okay, next. The diagram below represents a stage The diagram given below represents a stage during cell division. Study the same and answer. Identify whether it's a plant cell or an animal cell. Give a reason. See, cell wall is seen, observed. So naturally it is a plant cell because cell wall is present. Name the stage depicted in the diagram. What is the unique feature? The stage, it is all lies at the equator. So it is a metaphase stage. So in this, chromosomes lies at the equator. Name the type of cell division that occurs during. The type of cell division occurs during, it is the mitotic cell division. Name the type, that is in the replacement of old leaves by the new ones, mitotic cell. Formation of gametes, meiosis, meiotic division will occur. What is the state that comes before the stage of shown in the diagram? Before metaphase, it comes late prophase. That is the late prophase. Now here, above keeping the centrosome number, see here 4 chromosome numbers are there. Here also I have drawn 4 number of germ. Say mitotic before the stage, it is the late prophase. Disappearing nuclear membrane is observed here. Two chromatids, they are coiled each other. Here they are all separated. Centromere, they are joined. This is the cell wall. This is the cell membrane. They are the two chromatids. I hope I make everything clear. Any doubt, anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.